We're into the third annual Reconnect Festival. Students who study creative industries at UniSC get to engage in this kind of event for their work integrated learning. We have design students and visual communication students who've programmed all of the events, done all the branding for it, done all the social media campaigns. We've got music students playing one of the live stages here. We've got a cinema we've built and installed, screening all of our screen media students' work, all the way through to book launch and anthology launch for all our creative writing students.
The Reconnect Festival is helping me in my career. It's giving me practical skills as well as some content I can use for my portfolio, but it also helps me know what it's actually like when I go into my field of work.
Work like this is really important for students studying in the creative industries because these type of partnerships with major entertainment companies allow our students to get not just the experience in working in it, but the lines on their CV and the genuine work placement that sees them go into continued employment as well.
UniSC definitely supports me in my journey. I'm a musician and I've learned a lot of stuff, especially practical stuff, studio work, production, performance, all things that people like me, performers, musicians, are going to use.
So if I had one piece of advice for students who are working and looking at studying creative industries, it's to understand that you need to be flexible, that your work is built around a portfolio of skills, so you're going to learn a diverse range of skills to make you more employable. And the only other hot tip is to be good to work with. One of the things that we really encourage is collaboration and understanding that you're a little ecosystem of creative people who will eventually be the future of that creative economy. So being kind, working with each other, being good to work with, and understanding the environment you're in, that's a key part of what we do in the creative industries.